What up guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing some minor cosmetic repairs. My badge for the back tailgate fell off at some point, so I need to glue that back on. I previously did glue it on some regular glue, but it became loose and then I took it off. Now I'm going to be using something a little bit stronger. So this is what I will be using for today's video. This is the badge for the tailgate. Sandpaper just to take the previous glue out. I'm going to be using Pratley's Pixit. So some very strong stuff. I used it on my red mirror not so long ago on TikTok. And I'm also going to be using some blue devil black silicone just to make a black bead around the badge. So I'll show you why I need to do that. Then make a 5 o'clock to clean the area that we're going to glue and some water. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so the way this works is we have an activator and resin. So you apply the activator to one of the surfaces and the resin to the other, and then you leave it for 5 minutes before you bring them together, and then we need to hold them on for like 3 minutes. So I'll take you through the process real quick, but that's exactly what I'm doing in a nutshell. So I'm going to apply the activator to again. Okay, so I think we have managed to cover the whole.